time to go to the sewers. Let's do it. Let's go to the sewers. Maybe I should fix. Okay, my M looks good.
What's down here?
What's down here? Good question. Ratchet. Fuck you bitch ass motherfuckers. Connect hydro displays. Oh shit, no, 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 no. Not what I wanted! Most definitely not what I fucking wanted. Die, bitch. Fucking dumbass fish. Fucking dumbass fish. Let's go, Clank. Oh. Okay, do I go in there like this? Break. Break that. Okay, I thought I heard a fish. Oh no, I heard a meat-boids. Definitely heard of meat-boids. Fuck them dumbass motherfuckers. Fuck them dumbass motherfuckers.
Mr. Zircon does not require bolts. His currency is paid.
Well, yeah, well, I require currency. I mean, oh, Mr. Zircon. I require lots and lots of them. Oh shit! Oh fuck! Die! Nice! Oh look! Raditarium, irradium, whatever. I forgot what the fuck it was called. I don't remember who was in the sewer in the first one, but I guess we're gonna find out. We will find out. Whoa!
Sewer pumps activated.
Oh god damn it!
Oh boy. I believe we should run now.
You think, Clank? Oh no! Run! 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 Ah! Ah! Fuck! Oh fuck! Oh, I'm fucked. I'm fucked. I'm fucked. I'm fucked. I'm fucked. Fuck, 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 fuck. I am so fucked.
Oh dear. The water is rising.
Woo! I'm gonna barely make it.
Of course, Ratchet knew he'd have to surface to breathe.
Ratchet, we must keep moving.
I'm trying, pal.
So close.
That was close.
So close. Oh shit, that was so close. Is there anything under there? Get a lot of bolts. Lots and lots of them. Lots and lots and lots of bolts. Lots and lots and lots of bolts. Okay. Now to continue my quest. Where am I going now?
This place looks like bad news. Better keep our eyes peeled, Clank.
Oh.
Hey, pal. You got any of them Rhino Hollow cards?
What's a rhino?
Only the most powerful super weapon in the galaxy, Chief. Stands for Rip You a New One. See, the Gadgetron guys, they knew the plans would be too dangerous to leave in any one location. So they split them up and printed them on a bunch of hollow cards. Me and my associates would very much like to acquire these hollow cards, and thus, the full plan.
And let me guess, if we give you all the hollow cards, you'll build us the weapon.
That is correct, my industrious friend. Here, take this trespasser. It may help facilitate the acquisition of said merchandise.
Well, now the time to find the Rhino holocards. Rip ya a new one.
The trespasser can short circuit, rotate selected control ring. Detected port powered. Power remaining port with remaining laser.
Woo!
Hey, you got one. You keep looking for more. Travel to other planets and stuff. Hollow cards are everywhere.
Whoa, what the fuck, camera?
Yo, Slick, what do you got for me?
Here. What is over here? Nothing. There I go now.
You're back. We can do another race if you want.
Oh, that's what that one was. Okay. I'll be back. Gonna go for a quick break. Okay, what's in the Gadgetron?
How about a Groovatron up, ammo full?
Where do I want to go now?
Which planet should we go to?
There are still parts of Nebula G34 that we must investigate.
Nebula G34 it is, Clank.
Captain, come in. Clank and I are in position and ready to commence Operation Falling Star.
Okay, I thought I had.
Copy
there
that.
was a
You're
cutscene.
clear to move in. I'll monitor your position from here.
Perhaps the trespasser will be useful here.
Got it.
Attention scientists! Chairman Drek here. I just wanted to
Ow!
for all of your hard work these last few months. I may be your leader, but I am nothing without the tenacious Blarg here at this facility. The weapons you're creating will help mark the beginning of a glorious new era for our kind.
When I signed up for this job, they told me there'd be travel. Here he is. Attack!
All available units, go to Research Station 5. The creatures are...
Mr. Zircon is here to kill.
It has been brought to my attention that we may have an intruder at the facility. If you come across anyone who is not a Blarg, please feel free to kill them.
Oh, okay, I get it. There we go.
You're doing great, Ratchet. Keep going. I'll be with you every step of the... Oh, come on! He was out of bounds! Open your eyes, Rep.
Got some more hollow cards. Lots and lots of boxes. Alright, what one's this one? Card collection. Open pack. Woo!
There you go. A complete set.
What the fuck? I have to get all 3 sets. What the oh my god. So annoying. Woo! No fucking rhino still.
Mr. Zircon is born.
Yeah, shut up, Mr. Zircon. Shut your mouth, bitch. Alright, what's up here?
Mr. Zircon cannot...
What is all this?
It appears Chairman Drek has been growing his own army.
Hello, sneaky aliens.
Yeah, bitch. Fuck with it.
This is just a reminder that all
What the
projects,
fuck?
files, and experiments are the property of Blargian. However, I welcome all feedback. Should you disagree with this policy, feel free to voice your concerns to one of the
Come on, bitches.
murderous war
Come
bots
on,
currently
frog.
patrolling the halls. For your safety.
Oh fuck! I don't know what you are.
Test subjects have escaped. Every Blarg for him or herself!
Oh, got another card. Wait, that wasn't a card.
Captain, come in. It looks like Drek has been experimenting on creatures.
Ha! It'll take more than a few bugs to scare off Captain Quark. Unless there are spiders. Are there spiders? No, I'll never get comfortable in this bed. Mission control, where I'm monitoring you from.
Oh dear, more of them.
Hey, come here, Mr. Zircon. Come help a brother out.
Zircon is here to kill. These are the moments Mr. Zircon lives for. Mr. Zircon is here to kill.
Ow!
Show that you
Motherfucker!
win, Canadian. Psych. Mr. Zircon lives only to kill.
Did those guys not die?
Thought you had seen the last of Mr. Zircon.
Yes, they do.
One little dead little.
We're all clear.
Five little dead little aliens. You know what you could do with a good killer.
Fellow Blarg, I've recently learned that a few have been sneaking into our restricted area to feed
Ow!
subject 857P. This is a friendly reminder that 857P Echo is not a pet. And should you be caught feeding it, its next meal will be you.
One little dead little aliens. Mr. Zircon is here to kill. Mr. Zircon.
Oh no! 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 Fuck! God damn it! Okay, I thought I had to start it all over again. I
I've
was about to
recently
say.
learned that a few of you have been sneaking into our restricted area to feed subject 857P Echo. This is a friendly reminder that 857P Echo is not a pet, and should you be caught feeding it, its next meal will be you.
What is 857B Echo?
Mr. Zircon is here to kill.
Tron.
out my inventory. Top you off.
We get some upgrades, maybe. Here, I don't need that one. Mr. Zircon. Alright, let's see what the fuck's in here. These are too easy. Oh, come on.
Attention intruder. You have entered the testing facility for a Blargian Snagglebeast. Chairman Alonzo Drek thanks you for your sacrifice.
Captain, did you know Drek's secret project was a Blargian Snagglebeast?
It is. I wonder why it wasn't in any of my intel. I was expecting something much less lethal. Don't worry. Just relax and remember what I taught you.
What did you teach me? Captain? Oh boy.
Oh boy, right. Oh shit! Will the Rubicon work on him? Oh, it does! Oh shit.
Uploading ground pound protocol.
You are a disease, and Mr. Zircon is the cure. Zircon cannot wait to kill you.
Initiate charge attack.
I don't remember one of these in the first one. Oh shit.
We've lost control of the subject.
Where'd he go? Oh fuck! No, don't fall. Do not want.
Mr. Zircon is here. Didn't know what warned you about Mr. Zircon?
Begin fire suit protocol.
Oh shit!
Mr. Zircon is looking to kill you.
Level up.
Subject appears to be mildly ticked off.
Woo!
Initiate cranial implant. Subject appears to have a fondness for falling into love. Jim, let's boost the neurotransmitters and see if we can add a few IQ points to this dimwit.
Haha. Dumb bitch.
You are not dead yet. Mr. Zircon intends to rectify.
We got him back under control. Let's see what
Mr. Zircon delivers a symphony. Thought you had seen the last of Mr. Zircon.
Hi, motherfucker.
And tell your friends
Thank
Mr.
you.
Zircon is
I yield! I yield! Please, don't hurt me!
Tell us what. Tell us what you hang on.
Tell us what you know about Drek's plan.
Whoa. Thanks. Yeah, what he said.
I can give you this infobot.
You watch this one, pal. I'm just gonna take 5.
Greetings, Blarg imbeciles. If you're watching this infobot, you've been selected for the beta trial of my latest invention, the XK-81 Jetpack! Though initial testing had a few small setbacks, I'm happy to report that I worked out all of the kinks. Now you can use your XK-81 Jetpack to traverse the skies, giving you an advantage over those morons on the ground. The XK-81 Jetpack. Come pick yours up at our base on Gaspar.
Dr. Nefarious is not responsible for death, dismemberment, or irreparable injury to your central nervous system.
Captain, it's Ratchet. We just defeated the Snagglebeast and found out what Drek is up to.
You did? But that's impressive.
Yeah, bitch. I am impressive.